Hello friends, I am Seraram Simar and I welcome you back on my YouTube channel English with SR Simar. Today, once again I am before you with a beautiful and inspiring story about a king. Listen it carefully and try to comprehend it. Friends, once there was a king who was very fond of hunting. One day, when he was about to go for hunting, the chief advisor of the king came and asked the king, "Sir, in the middle of the forest, you will see a tiny and small man who will challenge you for fighting, who will ask you for combat. You need to fight with him and kill him on the spot." After listening to the advices of the advisor, the king set out for hunting. As was the prediction, in the middle of the forest, the king came across a tiny and small man who was standing just before the king. He told the king, "Hey mister, where are you heading to? Where are you going? It's my kingdom. I will not let you go. I will not let you enter in my kingdom till you fight with me." The king got down from his horse and began to fight with the tiny man. In the very beginning, the king defeated the man. The man ran away. The king didn't kill him because he thought that it would be not equal to my dignity to kill such a helpless and small man. When the king returned to the palace, the chief advisor asked him, "Sir, have you killed the tiny man?" The king replied, "No, I didn't kill him because he was helpless and so small." The chief advisor said, "Sir, you have made a mistake. You must have killed him." After a few months, the king once again decided to go to the same forest for hunting. The chief advisor advised him to kill the tiny and small man, but this time also the king didn't kill him. Time after time, the king used to go for the same forest. The same tiny and small man used to come across the king, fight with the king, but the king didn't kill him. He always left him. After many years, now the tiny man has grown up into a strong and a powerful man, and the king was old. One day, when both of them were fighting, the king remembered and recalled the advices of the chief advisor, and he thought, would that I had killed this man a few years ago, this day might not come. It would be better if I had killed earlier. Both of them were fighting with each other. The king was clever and tactful. He pulled out his sword and killed that man. But killing him was not easy. He had to do a lot of efforts. Both of them were covered with blood. After killing that man, the king returned to the palace. When the chief advisor saw the king, his face, his entire body was covered with blood. The chief advisor said, "Your Highness, if you had understood what I had told you earlier, this day might not happen. This day might not come. Friends, the moral of the story is that we put away the things, we put our works day by day, and we think that we will complete it tomorrow. When we were studying, our teachers used to advise us, our teachers used to tell us, learn vocabulary, read English, listen English, speak English, but we never mind it. We never thought, we never cared about it, and think now we have come. We are not good at everything, but now the problem has grown up. What should we do? We should handle it carefully. We will have to fight it. We will have to fight with it. And after fighting, we will win. We will definitely win. Like the king, we will definitely win. But the problem is that whenever our advisor, whenever our teachers, our guide told us to do some things, but we didn't mind it. We avoided all the things. We avoided all the advices. So we feel difficulty, and now we feel regret. I hope you will never put away your work till tomorrow. You will not avoid your little things, because you know the time which we lost can never be regained. We will have to repent only. So we must not avoid our things till tomorrow. A little and small things grow bigger day by day. So day by day we learn some vocabulary, we learn some sentences, we listen something in English, we should speak in English, and thus we can learn English. I hope you understood the story and you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video.